Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Shazwani binti Abdul Kadir from the Department of Information and Communication Technology, Polytechnic Muka Sarawak, Malaysia. Today, I will be presenting on the development of eNote web design technology. Current development in technology are reshaping the landscape of education. While digital applications were previously uncommon in teaching and learning, their usage and adoption rates were low. However, the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic in March 2020 prompted a significant shift in education sector. Educational institutions, including polytechnic, have departed from the traditional in-person teaching model, embracing a digital learning approach. Computers and laptops are recognized as valuable tools for instructor and students in performing daily tasks. However, their portability can be a challenge, making it inconvenient to carry them everywhere. Consequently, the emergence of M-learning or learning through mobile devices such as tablets and smartphones offers a more convenient and portable solution for continuous access. The eNote web design technology is a mobile application that is designed to assist students in learning for the DFT 40163 web design technology course offered in Polytechnic across Malaysia. With the development of the application, students can access to the notes only through their smartphone as needed, even without access to the internet. There are some problems faced by students before the development of this eNote mobile application. The first one is the accessibility of learning materials. Second one is poor connectivity, and the third one is the challenge to locate the course-related sources. Students sometimes find it difficult to access to the online learning platform, CDOS, in order to access the notes and also to download the notes provided in the platform due to the lack of connectivity and also due to the poor connectivity in their hostel. Besides that, students also find it challenging to find a relevant resources related to the web design technology. There are a lot of different materials that can be found on the internet. However, not all of the materials and references is suitable and relevant to the web design technology course. There are three objectives in developing this mobile application. The first objective is to design a simpler application with user-friendly interface for the web design technology. Second one is to develop a mobile application for web design technology course at Muka Polytechnic Sarawak, Malaysia. And the third one is to provide an alternative to course materials delivery by providing additional resources related to the web design technology course. This mobile application is developed in order to solve the problem and issues faced by students. One of the problems faced by students is lack of connectivity and also accessibility to the learning materials. Hence, this application is developed to allow students to access to the learning materials and notes whenever they are without having the need of internet connectivity. Moreover, in this application, the external resources are provided to help assist in the student learning process. For the literature review, a study by the Malaysian Communication Multimedia Commission (MCMC) shows that the adoption rate of smartphone owners by educational attainment for tertiary is 93.6%. This shows that among the higher education students, most of them are owning a smartphone. Another study by Amin and Berkan, 2019, The continuous connectivity facilitated by mobile device has aided in communication with classmates and lectures, engagement with course content, and the promotion of content collaboration in a situated and contextual manner. There are three similar existing apps available which provide access to the learning material. These apps are Talent LMS, Moodle, and also Brightspace. All of these three apps require the user to log in before they can use and access the materials provided in the mobile app. It is a hassle for students since they need to enroll to the course first before they can have access to the notes and also the materials provided in the mobile apps. Comparing these three existing apps to the eNote web design technology app, eNote application is simpler since it doesn't require any login. Hence, the student can access to the notes anytime, even when they are offline. Moreover, the student can access to the notes directly without the necessity to download the material. For methodology, Agile method is chosen for the development of this eNote mobile application. Agile method is chosen due to the fact that it is flexible and the process can be repeated until the requirements are met. There are 6 phases involved in this Agile methodology. The first phase, a survey was conducted to collect the requirements needed for the next phase, which is the design phase. So the questionnaire has been distributed to the potential user of this mobile application, who is the students of DFT 40163 Web Design Technology. After the result have been obtained from the survey, the next phase will be conducted, which is the design phase. The design of the user interface and also the features of the mobile application will be done based on the requirements gathered in the planning phase. After the design phase is completed, the application will be developed using a tankable application. After the development process is completed, then a beta version will be released to the potential user for them to test on the mobile application features and also to give feedbacks on the interface. After the testing phase has completed, the application will then be deployed. A demo video will be shared to the potential user on how to use and to access the mobile apps. And finally, in the review phase, all the feedbacks collected will then be taken into account for future improvement. These are the user interface of the eNote web design technology. For the main page, the application does not have a login feature as the development prioritized simplicity as one of its objectives. In the home page, there are 6 menus available for students to access to the required materials related to this course. User can easily navigate and select menus from the icon menu provided and also from the horizontal menu provided on top of the mobile application. When the user clicks on the course outline menu, a pop-up will appear with the latest course outline for the DFT 40163 Web Development Technology course. Next, all the required notes for this course will be provided in the mobile application. Student can access to the notes by clicking on the Note icon menu on the homepage. For the exercises menu, like activity related to the web design technology is provided to help students learn better in this course. Besides that, for the tutorial menu, external sources related to web design technology course is provided to help students and to guide students in the learning process for this course. Next, all the important assignment related to this course is provided in the assignment menu. Last but not least, the feedback menu allows the students to provide feedback to lecturer for improvement or inquiry on the course. Upon clicking the submit button, the information will be sent to the lecturer through Google Form. As conclusion, this eNote mobile application helps to improve the accessibility and the experience of the FT 40163 Web Design Technology course student. For further improvement, two-way communication through eNote Web Design Technology need to be done in the future so that this application is more interactive with users. Last but not least, this application is hoped to be used by all students in Polytechnic across Malaysia with some improvement in user interface and experience in the future. That's all from me. Thank you.